In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen twice. Now click on those three dots located on a brightness slider and enable or disable adaptive brightness thanks to this switcher. Make sure to save your changes by hitting done. If you wanna, you can also go into settings and tap on display section to manage the same switcher over here. This time you don't need to save your changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!